When you first start teaching water classes, it's all about making sure that you deliver the best class you possibly can for your clients. And it's all about learning how to cater for their individual needs, as well as being able to get to the end of the class successfully. When you've been doing that for a while, you develop a desire to learn more. H2O Plus is that event for you. With 5 amazing sessions, myself and 4 other incredible presenters that I've truly admired, we're going to be delivering an awesome day to you. If you want to understand more about the physiology of fat loss, or about how to effectively use fascia in the water, perhaps even the type of language that you're using that you need to be mindful of in regards to your well-being of your clients, but also encouraging them to work to the best of their ability. If you have an interest in how you can maximize on bone mass with water exercise, and then finally, if you also want to find out, is power training effective for older adults in the pool, this is the event to come to. $180 is all it's going to cost you, and if you can't make it on the day, that's okay. You get access to this event post-conference. So I hope I get to see you there. This is a one-off opportunity. You can purchase it now, you can watch it later, or you can join us on the day.